5.
No,
3.
3. So 3 times 8 is 24. And the easiest way, this is going to be a difference of 6. You could go on with a decimal, but it's really easy just to take your remainder, bring it up, and then put what we were dividing by. So what is the weight on Earth?
93 and 3.
Yeah, and you can reduce it. So it's divided by 2, 93 and 2 third. 3/4. Thank you. Sean gets candy for sure. Okay. Okay. So 3/4 pounds on Earth. Well, I've already got the E, so I don't need that. Okay. So that is it. So again, they're just a little bit messier than yesterday. Then here comes one that's really messy. All right. So how long? Again, I know that I need time, and I just have to read back to see what kind of time they're talking about. How long will it take the crew to clear 2 3/4 acres of lumber? So it's time and acres, 2 3/4. All right. So it says a crew of loggers cleared a half of an acre in 4 days. So this time must be in days. So do we have a ratio of 2 things that go together?
Yes.
The what and the what?
The
Lumber and
days.
Yeah,
So
that
1/2 over 4.
1/2 over 4. So it's, and I'm going to start way over here because we're going to need some room to work. So 1/2, we'll just say, do you want to call it lumber or acre?
Acre.
Okay, 1/2 of the acre per 4 days. I'm going to do it in fractions because most of our answers are in fractions. So on the next one, where is it? How long will it take the same crew to clear 2 3/4? So of lumber. Where am I going to put the 2 3/4 acres? On the top. 2 3/4. Yeah, because if I put 2.75, it's going to get messy no matter what we do. So I'd rather have the cleaner fractions. And then we're looking for how long in number of days. So this one I would purely cross multiply. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go 1/2 times the number of days. And then on the other side, okay. And then on the other side of the equal, it's going to be 4. And I know that I'm going to have to do a check plus for this. Are we right? So I might as well go ahead and put this 4 over 1 times, what's going to happen right here? Get it to be.
open two boxes.
No, you check plus, so 4
You
times
check plus. You're doing your getting proper. So it's going to be how much over 4?
9.
I think Sean again was right. 2 times 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay.
And then you can just simplify.
You're right. Then go ahead and you can see, again, this is why sometimes decimals, while they look nice, fractions sometimes clean up pretty good. So we've got our 1/2 D is equal to, and I'm going to keep it 11 over 1. Okay. So we still have to get rid of the half. How do we get rid of the half? Reciprocal. Very good. So 2 over 1 and 2 over 1. Yeah, because 1, we don't need the 1 on the bottom. So it's going to be 22 divided by 1, which is just 22 days.
It's not on the
Well, it should be.
Answer.
This is the answer.
Oh.
So it's 11.
Because probably what I did them very fast. Probably what I did is I got to this point and I didn't do the reciprocal.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Wait, no. So whenever we did that, how did we get 4 over? So we just got rid of the 1/2 to there.
Okay, so over here, we did 1/2 times the days. Do you agree with that? Okay. Then on the other side, we went 4, here's our 4, times this.
Why did we do the reciprocal?
we're not doing the reciprocal yet, because we're not getting rid of
But why is
anything.
it 4/1? It should be 1/4.
No, because the 4's turned to a fraction.
The 4 is a whole number. So it's 4, it's 4.
That's the pure problem. That's like 4 days.
It's just a 4, and because I knew this was gonna be a fraction, I made that 4 into a fraction, 4/1. But this is just 4 times 2 1/3.
But why would it be 1?
It's not 1/4.
Bottom.
It's not, it doesn't say 1/4 times that. It says 4 times that. All right, so the answer is 22. So that just cross that out and put a 22. It is 22.
Where did the 11 come from?
What I just said was, I did this really fast, and I probably got to this point, and I just forgot to do my reciprocal. So that's where I got the 11 from. But it is,
No, on the other side.
okay, right here,
The check plus.
right here, when we did 4 times this, and we did the check plus 11/4, these two 4's crossed off. And what was left was 11/1. So the answer is, it's going to take 22 days. And in fact, that kind of makes sense. So for just to show you, a half acre is 4 days. There's another half acre there, that's another 4 days. In fact, there's 4 halves in 2. There's 4 halves in 2, which already would be 16. And then there's at least another half there, which would be another 4. So that's 20 already. This is the correct answer. All right. So go to this one. It's a pretty large piece. And depends on, we don't need to worry about that right now. All right. So on this, okay. So on this one, let's see if this one comes out weird. I think that, so we found that one. Alrighty, so in the next one, find the total number of employees if 22 are laid off. So they must have total and people being laid off. So because of slumping sales, the company had to lay off some of its employees. The ratio, they're telling you, of total employees to the ones that are laid off is 5:1. Who gets the 5? The total employees. And the ones that are laid off gets the 1. So the total is 5 over the ones that are laid off is 1.
Oh, 6 times 22.
All right. Then if the total number of employees that were laid off was 22, where are you going to put the 22? On the bottom.
Is it 1 song?
And we're looking for the total. Well, this was easy. We should cross multiply. 1 times t is t, or you could have gone across, you're right. But this one it's very easy also. So 5 times 20 is 100, 5 times 2 is 10, so 110. Okay. Okay, so this is, it's 110. So that is your answer, all right. And so girls and boys, you can start from the beginning, and you're going to do the rest of them. You're going to find out that most of these come out very pretty, so it's going to go quick. We might do a money one.
1 to 10?
Okay.
Which one?
May I go question?
You're doing 1 through 15. Go ahead and start them. I'm going to look at the time to see if I'm going to adjust it.
That's a lot.
Okay, Fred, be quiet.
No. May I go question?
Very quickly, no playing.
Can you start some too?
I'm going to look. Hold on just a second. Yes. No, just a second, please. Let me.
What is that?
Okay, hold on a second. Okay, girls and boys, we are not going to have time to do 1 through 15, so just do 1 through 10. That'll work. Okay. And take something. Where is the restroom open?
Green apple, let's go. You got
Yeah, I
much.
think so.
Oh, take it out here. Hold on, I'll get another one.
Wait, there's decimal classes?
Fred, yes.
Oh.
don't have one.